Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the frequently asked questions in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it and in this page you should select the last option, which is settings, and in the new page once again you should select the last option, which is help. And here you can see the first option, which is frequently asked questions. You can just press on it and it will take you to a different page where you will be able to find the frequently asked questions by topics like popular, security, messaging, call, discover, and depending what topic you select, you can see the frequently asked questions down below. Regarding that topic, you can just press on one of these and you can see a short description that might be able to help you out. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.